Day 2. Mirror practice sentences. Today is full of fresh possibilities. I have the power of shape my day. I welcome new opportunities with an open mind. I leave yesterday's worries behind me. I choose to make today a great day. I am excited to learn and use new words today. Every mistake I make is just proof that I am trying. My English is improving every single day. I speak clearly and with confidence. Learning English is a rewarding journey and I enjoy it. This is my day 2 of English improvement. I am happy to start my practice today. Let's see how much I improve. This is my practice notebook. I want to build a strong habit. Every single day counts on this journey. Next, shadowing. I didn't understand. It took me a little time to understand what it means. The ability to make my own decisions without judging me. Just the same kind of freedom men have had for such a long time. Third, fast reading. Every day we wake up with a choice. Do we remain the same or do we strive to be better than yesterday? The truth is, success doesn't come from sudden transformations. It comes from small, consistent improvements over time. Think about it. If you improve just 1%. Last one is recording and feedback. Hello, my name is Suchita and this is day 2 of my 30-day English speaking practice. First, I worked on improving my speaking skills and confidence by talking to myself in front of a mirror. For this, I practiced 15 sentences. Next, I worked on my listening skills, pronunciation, and fluency by shadowing Priyanka Chopra. She is a fluent speaker and her choice of words is excellent. I want to speak like her. Then I practiced reading. I chose a 60-second fast reading YouTube video and I tried to match the speaker's speed and I did it. Finally, recording. I recorded this audio and asked ChatGPT for feedback on my progress. I talked to ChatGPT and used its feedback to improve. These simple steps are making a big impact on my English learning journey. If you also wasted the first half of 2026 and still feel stuck in the same phase, don't wait for another year. Just start today and we will become fluent in English together. I am not rushing and you don't have to either. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. So start today. All the best for your English speaking journey. See you soon.